Hi everybody, this is the Left-Handed Shooter. Today we're going to take a look at this this old Ozark Trail pocket knife. This used to be my EDC. I used to carry this thing all the time, but I haven't in a long time, and I just saw it sitting in this box I have, and I go, let's make a little video on it. Anyways, frame lock, and she locks up pretty good. It has double thumb studs. It's tipped down when it's in your pocket. It's all metal or aluminum or whatever it was made of. Let's see. And you can see this is how straight it is in there. It's not too bad. I think this was like under $5 when I bought this thing. But let's see how much she weighs. Coming in at 2.7. It's got a blade of about 2 3/4 probably, and the handle 3 3/4. Which gives you an overall of a little over 6.5. Let's see. Haven't really sharpened or done anything with this thing. Let's since this is just a Chinese steel, soft. Let's see if it's still holding its edge at all. A little bit. Let's try this over here. Well, it's doing some tearing. I need to resharpen it. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it needs to sharpen. Oh well. But that's what it looks like in your hand. Got nylon washers in there. It doesn't have a hole for a paracord, but I guess you could wrap it around if you really needed to, wrap it around this guy right here. And the belt loop is non-reversible. Let's try one more sharpness test. I got some paracord right here. Let's see what she's doing to cut through that. Well, she made it through. Not too bad. But I probably carried this thing every day for a year at least, and that's kind of where you're gonna get with this knife. I don't even know if they even make this knife anymore. I haven't seen it anywhere. And I don't know the name or the model number or anything about this knife. So if you do, just leave it in the comments. And remember to like and subscribe. Give me thumbs up and all that stuff. I'll catch you on the next one. Later, guys.